Hello, welcome to Geekbuying channel. Today's video is about the Mi Pad 4 and the questions you may have about it. Without further ado, let's get started. That's the question get asked the most each time a Xiaomi product is released. We don't know when it will be officially released in your country, to be honest, and it won't be anytime soon according to previous experience. Normally, we suggest you just get it from a trustworthy shop like us. They are pretty much the same. As for the global one, we'll ship with that in the future, but the specific time frame is still unknown. However, currently you can choose English in the settings, and for Google products, they are easy to install on the pad. So for daily consumption like watching videos or playing games would be easy to handle. Yes, all variants of Mi Pad 4 support microSD card expansion up to 256 GB. Sadly though, the LTE version cannot support phone calls. The resolution is 1920 by 1200, pixel density is 283 ppi, which doesn't look great and feels a little bit grainy. You can check it out. Let's test PUBG. When playing under the high definition high frames, it maintains 30 frames per second. Not bad. Notice this Pad 4 features Snapdragon 660. The big size of this device helps the heat disperse, so it's much better than a phone. If you are familiar with the drone gimbal, that one, put the Mi drone camera on the gimbal. It's basically the same design language. We tested it for 2 hours, including 30 minutes of large gameplay, 30 minutes of movie watching, and 1 hour of web browsing. The battery went from 100% to 85%, so it can easily last for 5 days if you are not a heavy user. The front camera is 5 megapixel and the back is 13 megapixel. It doesn't come with flash. The registers sharp and pleasing pictures in broad daylight, enough to take good photos of your girlfriend. It's a bit slow, but accurate. No, you cannot unlock in a dark environment. Starting from $239 on Geekbuying, which can be shipped directly to your door, you can get the cheapest Snapdragon 660 product. That comes with good game performance, a smooth video viewing or web browsing experience, and most of all, you can hold it in just one hand while being lazy. Okay, thanks for watching. All links are in the description. I'm Sammy. See you in next videos.